Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the fiber box and the extender side by side, plug the extender into a grounded outlet, and power it on. Once the extender's LED shows boot activity, connect an Ethernet cable from the fiber box LAN port to the extender's WAN or Ethernet port. Make sure to wait for the extender's indicator to reach its ready state. This can take a minute or two. You're establishing the physical link first, which prevents wireless negotiation issues later. You now log into the extender setup page or the Google Fiber app, enter the default credentials if prompted and change them. Once done, select the mode, extender or access point, depending on whether you need DHCP from the fiber box or independent routing. Make sure to match or choose a strong SSID and passphrase. This preserves seamless roaming with your main network. After saving, monitor status lights while the device applies settings and reboots. That confirms a proper handshake. You finish by moving the extender to its permanent spot where it still sees a clear signal from the fiber box. Plug it in and verify 2 or more signal bars. Once in place, run speed tests near the extender and at midpoint to confirm performance. Make sure devices roam smoothly between nodes. If you hit problems, reboot the fiber box, reboot the extender, and recheck Ethernet connections. If that fails, perform a factory reset and redo setup. This clears stale configs and usually fixes stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.